reflecting the overall Maryland trend as homes are staying on the market 36.4% longer than in the recent past as buyer showings have slowed down. It's Friday, July 16th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your local snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in the Annapolis area. Overall, Annapolis has seen prices rise 12.6% year over year to an all-time high of $505,000. The zip code leading the way with the highest prices is 21405 at 38.3%, up to $1,022,500. 21403 came in next at 16.1% to $484,000. 21409 checked in at 13.7% at $476,875. 21401 is up 10.1% to $505,000. The highest priced home to sell this week was in Eastport's Horn Point for $1,200,000. There are only 19 rentals available, ranging from $1,695 to $6,000 per month. Rentals are renting in 5 days. If you want to know your options for buying or selling, be sure to get our free Summer Edition Home Buyer or Home Seller Guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Guides in the navigation bar. That's your quick snapshot of the Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 16, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Also, be sure to catch our market updates on your favorite podcast service or on your Google or Alexa device. Thank you again for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.